It's another day in the farm, but today is precisely palm plantation. Actually, I was dragged down here. I didn't go by choice. I do not want to go here, but I had to. This is my first time here. It's actually owned by my dad. The palm plantation. I've never picked palm fruits before, but this is like my first time. Most times, whenever they do this, even if I'm in the village, I don't join them. I'm always in the house or doing something else. But today, well, I had to because the people that were supposed to do it are not around. And my brother was picking this stuff for me. I needed it. I like it in soup, so I had to ask him to pick it for me. That's what he was doing. I was sitting out here thinking about my life. There was something I could do. I just had to sit it through. And yeah, here he was still doing the same thing. I had to pick the last one because we're about to leave, and then after that I had to crack some kernel because I wanted to crack it for my parents. I don't know what I was doing. I just let my intrusive thoughts win at this point in time. I just wanted to press it and see how it will look like if the oil will come out and all of that. Like I said, that's my first time there. I've never been there before. And here we headed home. I had things to do and people were coming back from the farm. I had to dry my bitter leaf. It was my younger sister that washed it. I cannot wash that thing to be very bitter. Here I was trying to make stuff for editaiwa, which some people call tapioca. That's what I wanted to make. I needed it because it's been a long time I had it. I wanted something that I'll chew when I'm maybe back to my base. Yeah, that's what I was doing. I had to cut the cassava into these big chunks because that's how we do it. I don't know about any other person, but that's how we do it. I added hot water and allowed it to cook for a little while, and then instead slicing it to the size I wanted, the bite size I wanted. This is how I know they do it. I don't know any other method. This is just how I know. And this is what we used to do. We do it the day before, then allow it to stay till the next morning before we can start eating it. I had to wash it because I know I'm going to wash it the next day, and then I had to add water and allow it to stay. Stay tuned for more content. Bye.